In this part, we will understand the reaction of nuclear fission, how it takes place, how it is used to make nuclear weapon, or how it is used to generate electricity. First of all, I told you that in fission, something big got broke down into smaller pieces and create one neutron and lot of energy get generated. Here is an example of uranium 92 to 35. So 92 is number of proton. So proton plus neutron give rise to atomic mass. You can just 235 minus 92, subtract it and you will get the number of neutron. Now I will add very slow moving neutron inside uranium 92 to 35. So if I am adding neutron, this will be added into atomic mass. So it will create uranium 92 to 36. But the structure is highly unstable, so it will break down into smaller pieces. The two important ingredients are barium and second one is krypton. Barium has atomic number of 56 while krypton has atomic number of 36. Now you will sum these protons 56 and 36, you will get 92. So it's a very neutral reaction. Second is atomic mass of barium is 144 while krypton has atomic mass of 89. Again you can sum these and you will get 233. But we have atomic mass of 236. So where are 3 neutrons? They will be created like this. Neutron, neutron. And plus lot of energy will be generated here. So nuclear fusion and fission have one thing in common, that neutron and energy will be generated. Now these neutrons are very important. Why? Because neutron has tendency to create 3 more neutrons. Like how? 3 neutrons created in this reaction. Now it will break another uranium and will create another 3 neutron. Similarly here, uranium 3 neutrons. Again here, uranium and 3 neutrons will be created here. Now these neutron will further strike with another neutron and create 3 neutron, and this is how this chain goes on, and this reaction is called as chain reaction. If I control this chain reaction, then I would call it controlled chain reaction. If I do not control this chain reaction, I will call it uncontrolled reaction. In order to use it positively, like I am generating electricity, so I would say that I have to control this reaction. Otherwise, blast can happen in nuclear reactor, controlled reaction. But when I have to create nuclear weapon, there is no need to control the reaction. It must be uncontrolled to create a lot of disaster. Remember two factual things also, that uranium has a lot of isotopes. Some are very good fissile material while some are not. Example, when I write uranium 92 235 and uranium 92 238.